alarm is going. Like the battery's going low in your house, and it just keeps going off. It's like, oh. Did it help?
I don't know, did I
Are they gone? Are they gone? Are they gone?
What? Oh, but maybe!
Why is it fun?
Oh, no.
Oh, fuck.
There's always been a problem. Did I win?
No.
Ali does math. You know math is not my strong point in life. Alright, so say I've got 150 and 150. 1 and 1 makes 2. Halves make 3. That's how I worked out what 150 and 150 was. What was I going to say? Oh my god, I've just been in up the bum. Hang on. What is that thing where it's like, here is the church, here is the steeple, something something, and here are the people. Open the doors. Oh yes. Finger puppets with Ali. What did you do on stream together, guys? Played finger puppets.
Oh no, it's still okay. It's super wet. We're just let that go.
I'm gonna say, please make sure to like, subscribe, comment, and click the little red bell at the top. Is it the top of the screen? Is that what it is? At the bottom? No, I think it's at the top. Alright, I'm opening just like a random video. The bell at the top is for notifications. The bell under the video is the one you click to get notifications. Oh. Okay, I did look at someone I wasn't subscribed to.